Assalamualaikum, welcome to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'll show you how to change the default browser in Windows. If you are tired of Windows opening everything in Edge, stick around and I'll show you step by step how to set your preferred browser. Let's get started. First, let's open the Settings app. You can do this by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and typing Settings. Or you can select this way. In the Settings menu, find and click on Apps. This is where we'll configure your default application. Now, on the left hand side, you will see the default apps option. Click on it. This will show you all the default apps that are currently set up on your system, like your web browser, email app, and more. Scroll down until you see web browser. If you are using Windows 11, you might see Microsoft Edge set as the default browser. Click on it and you will see a list of installed softwares like Chrome, Firefox and others you have installed. Now simply click on your preferred browser from the list. For example, if you want to switch to Google Chrome, just click on Chrome. Windows will confirm the change and that's it. Your new default browser is set. And there you have it. That's how you can change your default browser in Windows. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy browsing!